Hey everyone, welcome to another awesome armchair adventure. This week, Catherine and I head south down the coast to the awesome Narrawallee Inlet, where she indulges in a bit of stand-up paddling. I fly the drone, and we both have a nice swim in the awesome warm waters of this amazing place near Mollymook. Let's go. We parked in the inlet car park, which you can find at the end of Matron Porter Drive in Narrawallee. There is lots of space here and excellent facilities too. It's a great place to base yourself when you're exploring the inlet. Hey Catherine, what's it like paddleboarding at Narrawallee Inlet?
It's awesome, especially over there. I saw a stingray.
So, Narrawallee is located just to the north of Mollymook. It's just a tiny little kind of offshoot village of it. It's got a very lovely beach, and it's also got this completely awesome inlet here, which is super popular with families. You can come down here and splash around in the water. You can, when the tide's in, you can go stand up paddleboarding, and it's really nice. So off in that direction is Lake Conjola, that's to the north. Milton is over that away, and Mollymook's up there. You really can't beat just floating around in the beautiful pristine waters of Narrawallee Inlet, having a lovely swim and seeing what wildlife you can find on your travels. How lovely is this? What an absolutely stunning spot. Oi, landlubber, what be ye doing on my island? And once you've enjoyed everything that Narrawallee Inlet has to offer, you can walk just across the sand spit to Northern Buckley's Beach, which is part of the Narrawallee Creek Nature Reserve. There's some good surfing to be found here, and if you carry on north up the beach, you'll come to Buckley's Point, and beyond that, Lake Conjola. So there's a really awesome little walk around this little peninsula-like island here, and we're going to go and grab the other camera and go for a walk around there, Catherine and I. But holy shit, how nice a day is it today. 30 degrees, absolutely stunning. So this is the little walk around. I don't even know what island this is. I've forgotten the name of it. I'll look it up, put a little caption on the screen. There's a very lovely little walk. It goes round to the end. And if you're feeling particularly hardy, you can even climb up to the top of this little hill. And that's Catherine sneezing. So here is the lovely Narrawallee Inlet, looking absolutely glorious on this beautiful, very early autumn day. It's still really summer, don't tell anyone. Now this place is a hugely popular location for families for very obvious reasons. It's absolutely perfect for the kids to splash around in the little shallow waters behind me. And if you've got some older kids, the surfing is pretty damn good off Narrawallee Beach and Conjola Beach and what have you, which are just over my shoulder here. So the best time of year to visit Narrawallee is most definitely the shoulder seasons, by which I mean spring or autumn. In the summer, in the 6 weeks of the summer holidays, the Narrawallee Creek absolutely heaving with people all over the place, full up with families and kids and inflatables and stand-ups and all the rest of it. So come at this time of year, which is early autumn, and have the place to yourself. once you've enjoyed all the wonderful nature of the creek, you can come to this awesome little shady picnic area and have a barbecue or a sandwich. And there's also the all-important toilet block with shower. After a small drama in which I thought I'd lost the keys to the car, but hadn't actually lost them because I took the key off the fob and put it in my pocket. I thought I'd lost it, so we had a moment of high drama
Andy
and
losing
anxiety.
his temper.
I found the key, and now we're going to go and get something to eat, probably in Milton. Get a nice burger or something in Milton.
Can we turn on the aircon before I
Yeah,
die?
we now need to turn on the air conditioning. Thank you very much. And that brings us to the end of another awesome adventure down at Narrawallee Inlet. Thank you very much for coming along on this little trip, me and Catherine. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll be sure to bring you many more adventures around South Coast, New South Wales. So until next time, cheers guys, bye!